But first tonight, the next chapter in our dishonorable investigation. And this time we're focusing on the Maricopa County Attorney's Office.
MCAO hired Judge Erin Otis while she was under judicial investigation. We expose cruel and obscene jokes and memes were frequently made in her courtroom during hearings and trial. Otis now prosecutes death penalty cases for MCAO.
And our big questions, did they know she was under investigation, and did they care? Here's ABC 15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskobing.
Getting straight answers out of the top people here at the County Attorney's Office is a process. They won't sit for interviews because our reporting is, quote, very investigative. So they send written statements, and those statements often avoid answering our very direct and simple questions. In the courtroom of Judge Erin Otis, we've shown you the jokes and the memes made during open court to mock and ridicule people, sometimes even in death penalty cases. How often did stuff like this get sent?
Almost daily.
Really?
Yes.
Like you're in a hearing and just these would pop up?
Yes.
Kelly Schaefer was a clerk in Otis's courtroom from 2017 to 2019.
Nobody was off limits.
Our first questions to the County Attorney's Office for this report were simple. Did MCAO know Otis was under investigation by the Arizona Commission on Judicial Conduct? And if so, did she disclose it? In this 7-sentence, 200-word response, MCAO doesn't say. They wrote, "Our background investigation paperwork at that time did not specifically ask." MCAO added, "In this instance, the Judicial Commission complaint was dismissed after the employee was hired, so the complaint and dismissal was not something we had access to at the time of hiring." Now, the Judicial Commission dismissed the complaint. Why? Well, that's another issue for another story in the future.
So she is prosecuting people to put them to death. And I really feel that those prosecutors need to be held to the highest standard.
Do you think she's been held accountable?
No.
Here's an example of who MCAO hired to try to put people to death. During this hearing, then Judge Otis sends the email on the left, mocking a defense attorney's clothing. Subject line, pants, not for trial or even ever. Otis again emails her bailiff a minute later. You can see all the cellulite on her butt. The bailiff then sends this picture you've been looking at. We added the black box because the original image is too graphic for TV news. We're not going to show video of the defense attorney, but this is Otis's expression moments after that photo is sent. Now back to MCAO. Their response says, if we had those Judicial Commission findings, that dismissal alone would not have changed our hiring decision.
But the position of trust that you put yourself in.
Otis was placed under investigation in 2019, hired by MCAO in 2020, and that investigation ended in 2021. MCAO then put Otis on leave in 2022 because of our reporting. So did MCAO really not know? Well, that would mean their new top prosecutor and the courts kept it a secret. And when you judge whether or not you believe that, consider this. We found it wasn't just Judge Otis and her staff making jokes. We found a prosecutor was also in on it. On September 11th, 2018, during a series of morning hearings, staff sends Otis several emails with photos of Ed Sheeran. It's not clear who they were mocking, but the first email subject line says Lee. Court videos from that morning show them periodically stop and laugh about it, even as defense attorneys wait.
Judge, you ready for me?
This is about 9:34 a.m.
Maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
Another email comes in at 9:43.
Chrissy, come here. I got a picture.
15 minutes later, prosecutor Josh Clark, who now works side by side with Otis, is sitting here, and he gets in on the joke. He sends the email to Otis's bailiff. Subject line, I see your Ed Sheeran and raise you Steve Zahn. The bailiff immediately forwards it to Otis. Now our questions to MCAO about this were also simple. Who specifically was Josh Clark referring to? Is it appropriate for MCAO prosecutors during hearings to joke with the judge and her staff? And did he engage in other types of similar emails, jokes, photos with judges and their staff? Here's what MCAO wrote. He does not recall sending the meme or why he sent it, but based on the information we have, Mr. Clark did nothing inappropriate. Again, quote, nothing inappropriate. Experts say making fun of people in court during hearings violates multiple ethics rules. And MCAO also didn't answer our last question, if that prosecutor has done it other times too. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
And because of our reporting, MCAO admits they just changed their application process and will now specifically ask if candidates are under judicial investigation. Dave's series continues on Monday. He's digging into some major conflicts and the big money MCAO has spent to defend Otis since hiring her. You can watch all of Dave's stories in the Dishonorable series by going to abc15.com/dishonorable or by watching ABC 15 on your favorite streaming device.